At first glance, this may look like the same tiny creature. But look closer. You're actually seeing three different ways of understanding life. On the left, this is the original view of Euchlanis, a microscopic rotifer. This is how it truly exists in nature. Soft, transparent, and almost invisible to the naked eye. You can see its shape, but most of its inner life remains hidden. Now look at the middle image. This is where things get fascinating. With enhanced imaging, suddenly the invisible becomes visible. That green glow? That's food, golden algae inside its body. You're not just seeing a creature anymore, you're watching it feed, digest, and survive in real time. And finally, the third image. It may look abstract, almost like digital art. But this version highlights only the edges, the structure, the boundaries. It strips away the details and shows you the skeleton of its form. 3 images, same organism, but each one reveals a completely different story. Sometimes, seeing more isn't about zooming in, it's about seeing differently.